राज्यांतल्या 9वी आनी 11वीच्या नापास जाल्ल्या विद्यार्थ्यांक एटीकेटी दिवन फुडल्या वर्गांत प्रवेश दिवपाचो प्रस्ताव मंगळारा पर्वरे जाल्ल्या गोंय माध्यमीक आनी उच्च माध्यमीक शालांत मंडळाच्या सर्वसाधारण बसकेंत भायर मारलो. हाका लागून 9वेक आनी 11वेक नापास जाल्ल्या विद्यार्थ्यांक परत त्याच वर्गांत बसचें पडटलें. RDX गोवा खातीर पर्वरेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
There was a proposal before the general body meeting of Goa board to provide the facility of ATKT students, those who are failing in 9th as well as 11th standard. So they could have saved their 1 year by availing this facility. So this proposal, however, was rejected in the general body meeting of the Goa board, which was held on 17th. But the supplementary examination facility, which is given to the students of 9th as well as 11th, so that will continue.
Sir, what about the ATKT student? They will be get promoted?
No. Now, since the board has not approved the proposal, so there is no question of granting ATKT to the 9th and 11th standard students. No, this proposal was moved by the Executive Council. It was passed in the Executive Council, and then it was placed before the general body of the Goa board. Because all proposals first come to the Executive Council, and then after discussing, we keep it before the general body this thing of the Goa board.